In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in HTML. First, open your browser and head to the Typeform website. If you're not already signed in, you'll land on the login page. To make this quick, click Continue with Google. This uses your Google account to authenticate securely, so you don't need to remember another password. When prompted, choose the Google account you use for Typeform and complete any on-screen verification. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow those prompts instead. The end result is the same. You'll be taken into your Typeform workspace. Once you're in, locate the form you want to embed. This might be in your recent items or inside a specific workspace folder. Click your existing Typeform to open the editor. You don't need to change the content for embedding, but it's a good moment to double check the title, description, and end screen so everything looks right when it appears on your site. At the top of the editor, find and click Share. This is where Typeform provides all the ways to publish and distribute your form. In the Share panel, choose Embed in a web page. This option is tailored for websites and lets you control how the form appears within your page layout. You'll now see embed options and a preview. Before grabbing the code, review the display style. Inline embeds place the form directly in your page flow, while popover or slide-in options open the form on user interaction. You can usually adjust size, button text, and behavior right here. When you're happy with the settings, click View Code. This reveals the exact HTML and script snippet you'll need. Go ahead and click Copy to place the embed code on your clipboard. You can paste this code into any HTML editor, whether that's a simple file in your code editor or a custom HTML block in your site builder. Place the snippet where you want the form to appear, typically inside the body of your page and within a container that has enough width and height. If your site uses a layout grid or a section component, drop it into the appropriate area so it aligns with your design. Save your changes and preview the page. If you don't see the form, check that scripts are allowed on the page and that no content security policy is blocking it. For responsive layouts, make sure the container isn't fixed to a tiny height. Finally, publish your page and test the form end-to-end to confirm submissions are captured in your Typeform results. That's it, you've embedded your Typeform in HTML, ready to collect responses right on your site.